Thunderbird email review. Let's get started. So first, what is Thunderbird? So Mozilla Thunderbird has gone significant transformations in 2025, aiming to position itself as a robust alternative to Gmail. So what is new? It has a modernized interface, which is called the Supernova, and the Nebula updates introduced a refreshed UI with significant improved typography, clearer layouts, and customizable views like card view. These changes have enhanced usability and visual appeal. They also have a Thunderbird Pro, a forthcoming premium service, which will offer features such as at thundermail.com and other email address, which is also an appointed scheduler, file sharing tool, and an AI-powered assistance. So let's talk about its strengths, or the pros. It offers customization, multi-account support, privacy and security, cross-platform availability. So it's also available on a lot of platforms like Windows, Mac, and more. Now let's talk about its limitations. It has a user interface complexity, which means it has a hard to diverse and check interface, which is less intuitive compared to modern email clients. They also have mobile support, which is not yet dedicated to mobile apps and not yet integrated into cell phones. So it's not in only a desktop or a Windows version. And lastly, we have integration challenges. So compared to Gmail, Thunderbird offers fewer integration with third-party applications and cloud services. So in conclusion, Thunderbird has made commendable strides in modernization its platform, offering a privacy-focused, customizable email client. While it doesn't yet match Gmail's seamless integration and mobile accessibility, it serves as a strong alternative for users prioritizing privacy control over their email experience.